6-in-1 Sharpal. Will it be able to fix these knives? Hi everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notifications every time I post a video. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That helps me with YouTube's analytics. Well, I'm going to be doing a test here on a product that was sent to me by Butch at Sand Hollow Homestead last year. Finally getting around to it. Sorry, Butch. What it is, it's this item here. And I've already taken it out of the package. So it's 6-in-1, the Sharpal 6-in-1 tool, knife sharpener and survival tool. And so it has two different angles here. Bring it up here. Two different angles here to sharpen at. And then it has a little ferrule rod in it. I'm not going to test that out because once you do scrape a ferrule rod, you got to paint over it to keep it from oxidizing. And it also happens to have this nice little diamond embedded rod here for sharpening fish hooks, getting down inside the hook portion. The hook portion here, doing that, but we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to worry about the main thing, and that is sharpening knives. It shows there. So I got a couple knives here, and we're going to find out whether or not it'll sharpen these knives. Let's move over a little bit closer here and get this set up here where I can actually get down here and show you the knives here as I sharpen them. All right. So this one here is a Chrome Universal Vandalium. That was my mother's. Back when I was a little squirt, she used to cook professionally for Holy Harper Catering. So I'm going to see here how it works. Oh, I can feel, as it pulls through there, I can feel it. Yeah, every pull, it gets smoother and takes out all the little bumps on it. The end here where it curves, well, like with any sharpening, it's a little bit touchy. Okay. Oh yeah, wow. Almost cut myself on that already. And I'll put the final on it here with the ceramic portion of it. Wow. Yeah, let me get something to test on. I screwed up. I should have done a test beforehand, before I started sharpening it. Ooh, I can get the... Okay, it's cutting there finally. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this one here. See if this one will cut. Absolutely not. Oh, I tore that. Actually just tore it a little bit. So let's run this one through. I want to double check. Yeah, okay. Turn it around and catch the last bit of it. Yeah, the heel there's a. You grab the knife the other way. There we go. Get the back of it here. And this one's going to take a bit of work. That one's starting to sharpen up here a little bit. A little bit better. Now this is a stainless steel, made in Japan, Dion Lucas. That's what that one is. Take a couple more troughs through here. Yeah, I'll try this ceramic one now a couple times. let's see if how to cut on this now. Okay, it cuts. Ooh. Okay, hang on a second here. Put that off. This one here got dropped. I don't know if you can see the warble in it right here. Not sure how that got damaged. Oh yeah, that one's definitely got problems. Could have been any of my nieces or nephews that are over at my mom's house, coming over to see Grandma. And this is another one of those Dion Lucas knives. And I can see it taking material off here on the counter as it tries to repair this thing. And that's a little bit sharper there. And of course I forgot to do a test cut with this one. Let's see how it does now. That one cut pretty good. Now this one here is has been sharpened a lot and used a lot. It's got a slight curve to it now. But yeah, that's nice and good. Let me grab another piece of paper here. Another post-it note. Okay, it just tears a little. See how it does now. Not yet. Oh no, not yet. This is going to take a lot of work. Some grinding pressure on there. So, I'm feeling this is the one that's going to be the challenge, whether or not you can get this one sharp again. I actually caught my nephews outside digging in the dirt with this one years ago. Alright, let's see if it's any better now. It's getting a little bit better, still not as good as it should be. Take a little more roughness off of it here and try straighten it out here. Okay, now this is a Dexler. So. Right. Not a clean cut, but it is cutting where, you know, it wouldn't do nothing before. So it did pretty good on that one. This one here, let's do a test cut on that one. Just a little bit. This one's pretty sharp. Probably just needs a little touch up on it is all. Oh yeah, just needed a little touch up. Yep. Okay, so the Sharpen all in all, took off a lot of material off of some of these old knives, which, you know, like this one, the Dexler here, which was duller than Nancy Pelosi on New Year's Eve, and put a nice edge on it where you can use it again for boning material. The two-stage stages there of it, the steel and then the ceramic, worked really good on it, and I'm pleased with it. It's even some of these other ones here, it's they wound up getting a nice sharp edge on it, and even the one that was semi-sharp, it's really sharp now. So before I take off here, I want to remind you to watch to the end. I got a little 20-second blip on the end showing some videos you might be interested in. But as always, everyone, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.